Welcome back to the Mechanical Room, and this is the first ever January edition of Show Us Your Pipe. When we kicked off the podcast last year, we introduced the segment, but we didn't give any prizes away for great installations. Not this year. We're going right into it, and the winner this month is Somatic MEP, Mechanical, Electrical, Plumbing, out of the great province of British Columbia. Thank you so much to JSA Sales for posting these photos. This is really fascinating looking installation.
Neat. So the reason I really dig this one is just the way that it's all flat up against the wall and just the different angles. I mean, it's almost, artistic in its construction. And one of the things that we always look at and we encourage is making sure that the installation is done properly and properly supported. And even the supports in this job are done in such a manner where they are artistic and even and squared off. It's very nicely done. I'm sure we will put the pictures there. A nice Navian job, if I'm not mistaken, in this application. So shout out to the Navian team on this one.
Yes, shout out to Takeo and Califacio. And this thing is really, really, if you look at the bottom of this photo that I'm showing right now, obviously a complex 4-unit installation. Everything is nice and neat. There's a disturbing lack of diamond plate, as I say, in every single one that has a disturbing lack of diamond plate. But you can't diamond plate them all. This is a pretty tall room, it looks like. So the diamond plate probably would have been pretty penny for this whole thing, yes. Which is actually kind of why it's vented the way that it is. And it's fascinating to look at this one. It's sort of an atypical
very different
orientation. I'm curious. I would be curious to see why maybe they didn't common vent this stuff. Maybe it's a local codes thing. That's totally possible. Another possible reason is this is maybe an apartment complex where everybody's got a different bill.
Could be.
So there's a million reasons why you do the things that you do. And
the thing that is fascinating though is that the height of that room is.
Yeah, it's
it would
super
not
tall.
strike me as an apartment complex. So we don't know specifically what it is, but it's a big space, maybe industrial or hospital, who knows?
It is recently completed Handsworth Secondary Project in North Vancouver. Well,
secondary school, possibly.
I'm not sure what that means exactly. Maybe a secondary school. Do they say that anymore? Is that a term that gets used these days?
Canada, maybe.
Possibly. I don't know. We'll have to touch base with our dear friends at JSA Sales.
Thank you for sharing it
on a couple of details here. But as we cycle through these photos here, just a professional job overall. Everything is nice and clean. That this was clearly taken the day it was completed. Right, no dust, no muck, no nothing. This is when we love our Show Us Our Pipe photos, because everything is in its right place. Everything is completely neat and clean, and that's the way mechanical rooms always stay forever, right?
The one thing that I also loved about this, even the gas type pipe, the way that it's coming in, it's done exactly the same to the left of the appliance with the same loop, the same direction. Yeah. It was just meticulously done. I always like to say, by a craftsman.
Yeah, methodical.
Yes.
That's what this is. Shout out again to Somatic MEP out of Vancouver and our friends at JSA Sales for posting this. You guys got a swag pack coming your way. We still have some holdovers from the Centrotherm 2021 fall line
collection.
Yeah, the fall collection.
Dior is taking some of that, so we better get it to them soon before it goes.
We'll be coming out soon. I'm currently working on the spring collection for Centrotherm. Maybe a tank top. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna show the guns off in the industry this year. But they're popular out there in the industry.
They are.
Well, anyways, maybe vote on this. Comment here on YouTube or on Anchor and wherever you're listening on these podcasts here. Tank top, yay or nay? He says nay. My wife says nay. To her chagrin, I say yay. But that's just how it is. Anyways, show us the gun. The gun. No, it's the pipe. Show us your pipe. Thank you guys again, JSA Sales and Somatic MEP. Great job. We'll be right back with Ryan Kiskadden.